morning, families. I'm creating a quick tutorial on how to enter Google Meets. I know it's our first time for all of us, so I'm going to take you step by step on how to get in. First, go into the Leverty website. You need to get into ClassLink. You type in your student's information to log in, and you enter ClassLink. Once you're in ClassLink, I need you to check Google Classroom. Make sure your student can log into Google Classroom. This will ensure you on getting into Google Meets because the accounts are linked. So once you're in Google Classroom, you'll know you can get into Google Meets. Go back into ClassLink and you'll see this icon and you click on it. You skip that. And now you're in, and here's the class meeting and it's at 12. So once you're ready to start, you click on it and you just hit join now and you will start the meeting. Hope to see you guys at 12.